Hello my friends, in today's video let's go to Asia and talk about one of their exotic food delicacy. Coconut worms, also known as sago worms or palm weevils, are the larvae of a type of beetle called the red palm weevil, Rhynchophorus ferrugineus. These larvae are found primarily in coconut palms, as well as in other palm species. They bore into the trunks of palm trees, feeding on the soft tissues within. Coconut worms, also known as sago worms or palm weevil larvae, have a distinctive appearance that can be quite striking to those unfamiliar with them. Here's a description of their physical characteristics. Size and shape. Coconut worms vary in size depending on their stage of development, but they typically range from a few centimeters to several centimeters in length. When fully grown, they can be relatively thick bodies with a cylindrical shape. Color. The color of coconut worms can vary, but they often have a creamy white to pale yellowish hue. However, their color may darken or change slightly depending on their diet and environmental factors. They also eat the coconut meat. Segmentation. Coconut worms have a segmented body, with distinct segments along their length. These segments give them a segmented or slightly bumpy appearance. Texture. The texture of coconut worms is soft and pliable, with a smooth exterior surface. Their bodies may appear somewhat translucent, especially when they are younger. Head and mouth parts. At one end of the coconut worm's body, there is a distinct head region with mouth parts adapted for chewing through plant material. The head may be slightly darker in color compared to the rest of the body. Movement. When observed, coconut worms may exhibit wriggling or squirming movements, particularly when disturbed or handled. Overall, coconut worms have a unique appearance that reflects their adaptation to their habitat within palm trees. Despite their appearance, they are considered a delicacy in some cultures and are valued for their nutritional content. In some cultures, coconut worms are considered a delicacy and are consumed as food. They are often harvested from infested palm trees, cleaned, and then cooked or eaten raw. Despite their appearance, which may be off-putting to some, they are said to have a creamy texture and a slightly nutty flavor. Coconut worms are considered a good source of protein, healthy fats, and certain nutrients. While the exact nutritional composition may vary depending on factors such as the larvae's stage of development and the specific palm tree they were harvested from, they generally provide several nutritional benefits. Protein. Coconut worms are rich in protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, as well as for various metabolic functions in the body. Healthy fats. They contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are important for energy production, hormone regulation, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins and minerals. Coconut worms are a source of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and the formation of red blood cells, as well as iron, calcium, and zinc. High energy. Due to their rich nutrient content, coconut worms can provide a significant amount of energy, making them a potentially valuable food source in regions where resources are scarce. While coconut worms are not commonly consumed in Western countries, they have been traditionally eaten in parts of Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands, where they are valued both as a delicacy and as a nutritious food source. Coconut worms are often enjoyed in traditional dishes in Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. Here's a simple recipe to prepare coconut worms. Stir-fried coconut worms with garlic and chili. The ingredients are fresh coconut worms, sago worms, cleaned and rinsed. Garlic, minced. Red chili peppers, thinly sliced. Vegetable oil. Soy sauce or fish sauce, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh herbs for garnish, optional. Instructions on how to cook. Prepare the coconut worms. Clean the coconut worms thoroughly by rinsing them in water. Remove any dirt or debris. Pat dry the coconut worms with a paper towel. Heat the oil. Heat some vegetable oil in a skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Sauté garlic and chili. Add minced garlic and sliced red chili peppers to the hot oil. Stir fry until the garlic becomes fragrant and slightly golden brown, being careful not to burn it. Add coconut worms. Add the cleaned coconut worms to the skillet. Stir-fry the coconut worms with the garlic and chili peppers, ensuring they are evenly coated with the flavors. Season the coconut worms with salt and pepper to taste. Optionally, you can add a splash of soy sauce or fish sauce for additional flavor. Cook until done. Continue stir-frying the coconut worms until they are cooked through. They should turn opaque and slightly crispy on the outside. Once the coconut worms are cooked, transfer them to a serving dish. Garnish with fresh herbs, such as cilantro or green onions, if desired. Serve hot as a flavorful and nutritious snack or appetizer. Note: be cautious not to overcook the coconut worms, as they can become tough if cooked for too long. Adjust the level of chili peppers according to your spice preference. Enjoy your stir-fried coconut worms. Thank you for watching.